is also traded in FNO. We can see the FNO data also. So it looks good. So 4,300. So anywhere between 4,200 to 300. So what was low? 4,200 only. Okay, so 4,200 is a buying price actually for Dixon. Okay, so you already have it. So hold it. No need to worry. If it closes below 4,200, then there will be a matter of concern. But as of now, from 4,200, it will spend some time around 4,400 and 4,500. Okay, it will spend some time here. It will take some time to cross above it. But once it crosses and sustains above 4,500, it is going to go rocket. Okay. It is going to fly. And the target seems 5,000. Once it's above 4,500, then it will go rocket. Next one.
So TCS.
TCS.
Yes, sir.
TCS hold for long term, no issues. See.
Okay.
You can hold this for long term. It is at its resistance level, but no need to worry for TCS.
These are like very few shares, like 5, 4.
No
Can
issues. See, as of now, what is your buying price?
So 3,004. Yeah, 3,100.
3,100. So it looks like you'll have to exit at 3,500.
Okay.
Okay. We'll have to keep watch on it. If it starts falling, data does, like from this level, data doesn't look good. So you might, if you want, you can exit anywhere around 3,500. I'm like, possibility is that it will start falling from here. Around 3,500, it should start falling.
Okay.
So this becomes the supply zone for TCS, and it has already reached the resistance. See, this was a support. This was earlier working as a support, right?
Yeah.
The support was broken. So this used to work as a support. It was broken. It was tested once, went down, then again came back. But then we can also see that there is a W here. So if it breaks above, then it can go up. But as of now, data doesn't look good. Like whatever happened yesterday also, let's see, 3,500 will be a very crucial level for TCS. And probability will be that how many shares you have?
Sir, 5.
5. So just keep track, and once it reaches 3,500 or maybe between 3,480 and 3,500, from there we might see some selling pressure. See already, so it has shown us in 4 hours. What do you see? Bearish reversal. Okay. Step in, work, step out. Okay, so in 4 hours, it has already given us sign of rejection. See, in 1 hour, it looks even better. Step in, work, step out. Okay. So this is the range we'll have to keep eye on. This is the supply zone. Okay, so it might touch the supply zone again and might start falling again. So we have to be alert. Okay, which is the next one?
2480 to be approximate.
Yeah, 3,480. So anywhere between 3,460, 480. See what happens once you book profit. Okay, once you book profit, what will happen? You will get your money back. If it starts flying, if it breaks the resistance and sustains again, we'll buy it again.
Right. Yeah.
Hai na?
IRCTC.
IRCTC also you can hold for a long time, no issues. Because see, it is monopoly stock now.
Yeah.
No competitor.
Completely.
Okay. So there will be some like ups and downs, but you can hold on for a long time.
Deepak.
Just a second. Na?
Yes.
Deepak Nitrite also fundamentally very strong. IRCTC looks very bullish for the target of 800. Looks good, really good. Like what is the price now? 720. So this can be a very good opportunity. Huh? If it comes down a little bit more, I will like to add IRCTC from around 720 or maybe 710, 20 in between. Okay, I will like to buy it. Okay, if I get entry anywhere in this range, it will be a very good buying opportunity. And my target will be 800 positional.
Okay. I got
Nitrite, no?
Yes, sir. IRCTC said got it for like I think 10 shares, then it got split and now
Yeah,
it's
so split means like you might have got more like what was the split ratio?
So I don't know how to check that actually. Sorry.
Just a second, I'll get it. It got split on this thing. 1:5. So in place of 1, you got 5 shares, right?
Yeah.
So do we find any pattern here? Is this a cup and handle? Okay. But trying hard to sustain above this resistance level. So once we sustain above this resistance level, IRCTC will also fly. So as of now, first target will be 800. But then once it sustains above, you can say 760. Okay. What will be the target? Positional target. Whatever is depth of this cup. So we can expect a target of around maybe 960. So if not 960, then technically this becomes my target. This will be the first target. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Deepak Nitrite. Deepak Nitrite is my favorite, so I will never tell you to sell it. Hold it. So it is on the verge of like completing a head and shoulder pattern. So first target obviously will be 2,400. Okay. And it has also like came out of downtrend. If you can see, it was in a downtrend for some time, and it has sustained above the trending resistance. Okay. So it has successfully broken this trending resistance. You can see that in smaller patterns. See, it was in this downtrend. So it broke above this trending resistance, then came back down, took support, like that resistance became support,
Support.
And then it has started moving up. So no need to worry about Deepak Nitrite. At least see this gap, it will fill for sure. As of now, like first target, this gap, it will have to fill up this gap.
Yeah.
So this becomes your first target, but then you have invested in it. If you see properly, I can see a head and shoulder pattern in this. So once it goes up, what will be my target then? Okay. So what, see how the logic also aligns itself with the price action. So I have this previous level, right? So this becomes my target. And just hold on for one more week. Just hold on for one more week. On 8th, election results will be out officially, but we will already we'll start getting polls and all. So institutions will hold on only for this will be some consolidation phase for about this week till 8th of December. After that, markets are going to blast is what I am expecting. Blast in the sense on upward direction. Okay. So just hold on, but this is the time you have to find out good opportunities. Like IRCTC is a very good opportunity. Deepak Nitrite also is a very good opportunity. So no need to worry. Okay, Deepak Nitrite will go back up around 3,000. No need to check the options data also.
Can I buy at some price?
Just a second. I think if you want to add, you can add IRCTC. IRCTC looks good. Okay. Deepak Nitrite, if comes down to 2,100, then only. But I don't think it will come down now. But IRCTC is better option than Deepak Nitrite.
Next, Pidilite.
Pidilite. Okay. So cup and handle on the verge of breaking the cup and handle on a weekly chart. Can you see this?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So once it had so if I draw a trending resistance instead of horizontal resistance, I can draw a trending resistance like this. Okay. And I can expect this pattern to get completed. Okay. And imagine what will happen if it breaks above 3,000. If it breaks above 3,000, so my first target becomes 3,000 for today. And it is very rare. Remember, it is very rare that you are finding me bullish on most of the stocks. Because I am a bear inbuilt. I am a bear. Okay. Most of the times you'll find me telling to sell this stock, sell that stock. Okay. But see, and I'm not whatever I'm saying, I'm not doing it purposely. Chart is telling me that this pattern has to get completed. 3,000 has to be target price for Pidilite. Okay. So you can stay relaxed about Pidilite. 2,800 will be the first target, and it has already reached 2,800. Just wait for some more time. Once it sustains about 2,800, then the next target will be 3,000. Okay, gradually it will go, but it will go for sure. Pidilite. So definitely will go to 3,000. No need to worry. We'll find a little bit resistance at 2,800, but next month or maybe in this month only we'll see it at 3,000. Okay. Next.
So Tata Power.
Tata Power, you know what? We had bought it at 50. No, not Tata Power. It was Adani. Sorry. Tata Power is in it looks like it is in downtrend. So it has a resistance at 230. If it falls below 220, will exit. Like if it sustains or closes below 220, two 200 is the support, but it's too far away. If it closes below 220, then we might decide to exit Tata Power. Okay. But not like it's after that, if it closes below 220 on any given day, then we'll check the data again and then we'll decide whether to exit or not. But otherwise, it is like it looks like it is in downtrend and might continue the downtrend and might go down further. Next,
Tata Motors, sir.
Tata Motors. Tata Motors. Again, it looks in a downtrend. But obviously, it is taking support at this level now. So it is taking support at this level. So slowly it might go up to 480, around 480 it might go, but once it reaches 480, then we'll have to be alert. If it breaks above 480, then, but otherwise Tata Motors also doesn't look that good. So around 440, 450, it will find, like it will spend a lot of time now. For a few days, it will stay between 440 and 450. Okay. So it has a resistance between 440, 450. Here. Okay, 450 is the resistance. If it sustains above, I don't feel it will go above 450 that easy.
So it might fall below.
Yeah, it doesn't look good, but if it sustains above 450, then we can see a rally, but then we'll have to be cautious. As of now, on chart, it looks like it is trying to, but finding a very stiff resistance between 440 and 450. What was its high? See, it's yesterday its high was 443. Okay. So it is basically, if you can see, I can expect it to form this triangle. Okay. It is forming this triangle. And it will continue going in this way for a long time. So every time it will come to support, it will be a buying opportunity. Every time it will touch the resistance, it will be a selling opportunity. So I will like to short sell, or what I can do, I can also sell a call option of 440, 450. Okay. Next.
Laurus Labs.
Laurus Labs went down big time 2 days back. Have you seen it?
Yes.
So it was, I had talked about it in my pre-market. If you would have seen my pre-market. So it was forming this triangle. Okay, it was forming this triangle. So there was a consolidation and it broke on the bearish side. So this is a retracel. I can see that there is a resistance. Maybe like if it touches 440, that will be more than expectation. Okay, if it touches 440, then it will be more than expected. But I don't think it will go up to 440. It might start falling again. What is your buying price?
417.
417. Okay.
417, 480.
So as of now, it looks bullish for the target of 450. It looks bullish, but doesn't mean. But to 440, it will definitely make it to 440. It looks like. Okay, so hold on. We'll just keep eye on it. Okay. Around 440, 450, we'll might see selling coming again. Okay, because this is a breakout of resistance support. See, this was the support, right?
Yeah.
Just see how strong this support was. Yeah. Okay. And this support is broken. And in fact, if you can see this sort of a triangle on a bigger time frame also. Right? So price was forming lower highs. So it was kind of a triangle here. It was trying to take support. So the next support, next level for me for Lotus Lab becomes this. So I had already marked it around 375, 380. So this becomes my next target. So once it starts falling from say around 440, 450, if it starts falling, I will sell it. I will take a short selling opportunity in this.
Okay.
Next.
So Grindwell Norton.
Sorry?
Grindwell Norton.
Where did you find this from?
I don't know, somewhere.
Who told you? Like,
So like,
what happened?
Like, I don't know, like, I think somehow also, I don't remember also.
Somebody told you.
Yeah, somebody told.
What is your buying price then? Can I upload this video on YouTube if you allow me to?
Yeah, sir, sure.
Pakka, because this is like your investment. It is your like.
It's okay. Like then we'll make a video of after your course and then the investment. So this is before the course.
Okay. No, because as like analysis part, I will like to share. Na? That's
Yes, sir. Yeah, sure.
So it is at its support, trying to bounce. So we have got a sort of, you can say, bullish pin on a weekly chart. But whatever this low, if it falls below this 1880, you'll have to exit. Otherwise, if this was a strong breakout and it is trying to take support. So if it starts going up again from here, then it like on bigger time frame, it looks like it is in uptrend. Okay. So we can continue and stay with it, no issues. But if it closes below 1880, you'll have to exit. Okay.
Okay. Well, I got it for 1,700.
So you are in profit now.
Yes, sir.
So see what happens. See, was sort of a head and shoulder here. So your target should have been, minimum target should have been this 2,150. Okay, whatever you got about 2,150, that should have been bonus. Okay, but as of now, it looks like it is going to take support, and if it holds on, hold on. If it closes below 1880, then exit. Okay, we can invest that money in some other stock. Okay. Next. Next one. Hello. Got disconnected or what?
Sir, I'm using my phone data. Shall I turn off my video?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Which is the next candidate?
Gujarat gas.
Gujarat gas. Today morning only I was discussing about Gujarat gas. So it is forming a very good. Can you see? Can you identify any pattern?
Up and under.
No. A trend. Okay, so it looks like it is
Up.
in an uptrend.
Up.
Yeah, and it is like forming a megaphone pattern, right? So it is forming sort of megaphone pattern. So hold on. Next target could be this one. Okay, right here, somewhere. Okay, it looks like it might make it in this month only, or maybe in January 23. Next month we might see it at around 570.
Okay.
So 520. It has a resistance, but then it will keep on moving up. No issues. Next.
Next, data patterns.
Data patterns. So it's in uptrend, na?
Yeah.
Then you'll have to place a stop loss now.
Bro, I don't know how to place a stop loss. So, like, can I do
Think
it with other?
it is taking support here. No need. Like you can create a GTT, na? I have told you, na, how to use GTT.
No, sir.
Okay, I haven't told you. Okay.
No.
GTT means what? Good till triggered, or good, either like some people call it GTT, some people call it GTC. Okay.
Okay.
So GTT stands for good till trigger. Okay.
Okay.
And GTC stands for good till cancel. So you can create an order, say for example, now because you have bought it on delivery basis, right? So
Yeah.
if I see that this is the support, it is respecting this support, okay, and it is in sideways movement, so it will keep on like going up and down for some time. Okay, so it will keep on going up and down. So as of now, it is into sideways movement only, and this might continue for some time. Once and if it breaks above, say around this range, then we can see a further up move. Okay.
Okay.
Like 1450, around 1450. But if it crosses above 1450 and sustains, then it will be a good rally we can expect. But as of now, you have to place your stop loss below this box. Okay, so you can say you can place your stop loss at around 1230.
30. Okay.
Okay. Next one.
Indian Energy.
Sorry.
IEX.
IEX is in bad shape. They have announced a buyback. So announcement of buyback looks like it is working for them. So it has taken a support at a very prominent level. I had marked this earlier. Okay, so it is taking support here and has turned up. Okay. So this was a prominent level for IEX and it has respected it and started going up. They have announced a buyback. I don't know what price. I'll have to find out. So as a very strong resistance, we can expect it to go till 155 Around 155, 160, it will start like facing resistance. Okay. So maximum 160. So like I will recommend you to exit at 160. What is your buying price? Definitely will be higher, na?
Yes, sir.
So let's see if it sustains above 160, then it looks good, but otherwise it is in downtrend.
Long term also.
No, it is in downtrend, so I will not like to suggest you to hold this, but
Okay.
see, it will also touch the trending resistance. So from around 160, I might sell a call option, or I might attempt a short selling trade also in IX. But it doesn't look good, so at around 160, you should book profit or whatever. Like you should exit IX. Okay, around 160. But if you want to hold now, then like if it breaks above 160 successfully, then that will be a big breakout. Okay, because this is a huge downtrend in a bigger time frame, right? So if it breaks above 160 and sustains, then that will confirm a further strong up move in IX. But I don't see that happening soon. Okay, so 160 should be like turning point for IX.
Okay.
Next.
Hello. Next is Paytm.
Paytm. I had opened the chart just now in the break only. Paytm. Can you hear me?
Sir, one sec. Yeah, what through IPO?
Okay. So see, as of now, see in big times, right from the beginning, it is in downtrend. So right, and it had broken this like this. This is where it tried to take some support. It bounced back, but ultimately that support was also broken. So this I can say that this is just like testing the, like what happens whenever a support is broken, it will work as a resistance again, right? And it has broken this support with, as you can see, with enormously huge volumes.
Yes.
Okay. So what is happening in past few days, the volumes have increased. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see if it sustains above this. Now it has already reached its level. There is this unfilled gap. If it tries to fill this unfilled gap, then we can see it falling from 600. But if it sustains above 600, only then I will consider it as strong. Okay. But yes, it is in like the scanner that I use usually. So it is popping up in my scanner also. Huge money is getting poured in. I don't know why. Okay, huge money is being traded in Paytm in past few days. As you can see it on volumes also.
Yeah.
But out of all the stocks listed in the exchange, Paytm is ranking on like say second, third, fifth position almost for past week or so. Okay, or at least for yesterday it was something around third or fourth position, I guess. So huge money is coming in, but that money, I don't know how far it will take, maybe to fill this gap. If it sustains above 600, then only I'll be seriously interested in this Paytm. Okay, but as of now, technically, as you can see, it had broken the resistance with excessively high volumes. Broken the support with excessively high volumes, and it is just come back to retest that support, and we might see it fall again. Okay.
If it falls below 600, then I'll exit my.
If it sustains above 600, okay, then you can hold it. But if it starts falling from 600, then exit. Okay. In fact, I doubt whether it will make it to 600 or not. It might start falling from 565 also. Okay, because this gap usually works as a resistance, right?
Yeah.
Next.
The Tata Consumer.
Hold on. Tata Consumer has came out of a good consolidation. Okay. So there was a month-long consolidation from October to November. After this month-long consolidation, it had given a successful breakout. As it always does, price will come back to retest the resistance. And once it starts going up from around this level, 790, 780, my next target is 840. Okay. And we can even see it going above it at 840, 850 in near time. Okay. So hold on to Tata Consumer, no issues. So around 780, you can add a bit more quantity if you want. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
So IDFC First Bank.
IDFC first. So it might be at all-time high, maybe. Very close to all-time high. No, not yet. So hold on. Banking is doing good, no issues. So your next target becomes this. Once it reaches this, then you call me. Then we'll look at it, have a look at it again. But overall, banking looks good. Bank Nifty is at all-time high and is going to go further high. Okay. So if it breaks above this level, around you can say 70. Okay. Once it breaks above 70 and sustains, then we can add more quantity. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next.
Wellspun India.
Wellspun.
Yes, sir.
Wellspun Crop? No. Wellspun India.
Wellspun India, sir.
Okay. On Wellspun Corp, I had given a buy trade about few months back, and it has came back, I guess, to a good level. So it had, like, after this breakout, I had given a call or buy trade to my candidates on Wellspun Corp. So it gave around how much? 20-22% returns. Okay. So I think Wellspun India, let's see what happened. So it is in a good uptrend. Hold on. It looks like it is in a very nice uptrend. Okay. So as long as it is in this uptrend, you can hold on to it. As of now, it is finding resistance at this middle band, if you can see. Okay, once it sustains above this middle band, your next target becomes. When did you buy this? What is your buying price?
Sir, 152.
150, 152?
No, sir. No. So I think, yeah, 152, I guess.
Okay, so you are.
Yes, sir, 152. I'm in loss.
You are in huge loss. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. But if it, like, see on the chart, as I have drawn this trend, okay, if it falls below this trend, if it closes below this trending support, then you will have to book a loss. Okay.
Yeah.
But this looks like it is in a good uptrend now. So hold on. But don't add.
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is what I was talking about. The gap gets filled sometime in the market. Like, market never leaves this gap unfilled. So there was this huge gap down, right? So that gap was filled.
And
So
that
this is,
becomes a resistance.
yeah, that becomes a either like if the gap is filled on from the upper side, it will become a support, and from lower side it will work as a resistance. Almost like they left few pips, but okay, this shadow was there. So this gap was literally like practically filled, and then look at the downtrend after that. Okay. So gradually we can expect it to go in the same range again. Okay, it is already there only. So if it closes below this trending, like the what you can call trending support, you have to exit. Okay, looks like in uptrend, but I don't know. I'm afraid whether it will remain in this uptrend for a long time. I'm afraid, like I'm not sure. But if it closes below this trend line at any given day, on any given day, you have to exit. Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
Tega Industries.
Sorry.
Tega Industries.
TEGA.
Yes, sir. TEGA.
What is the pattern you can identify here?
W.
Not a W. Yeah, W is there. Yes, obviously W is also there, but it is forming an ascending triangle.
So this was not done, sir. Ascending triangle.
No, not done yet. Okay.
No.
So the price is literally forming higher lows, but it's taking resistance at the same level. Okay. So hold on. Let's see if it breaks above this level. If it breaks above this level, then it will skyrocket for sure. Okay. But if it falls outside, see, usually what happens whenever such triangles are formed on the chart, when the price reaches around last 20% of this triangle, okay, so this last around 20% of the triangle becomes a very crucial moment, and that is when we can expect, like most, we can say like probability is very high to break out, for the breakout to happen when the price reaches in last 20% of this any kind of triangle. Okay, so hold on to it. If it breaks on the upper side, then we can see a further sharp up move, but if it falls below this, we'll have to exit.
So the volumes traded also will be higher at that point.
Yes, obviously whenever breakout will happen, there will be huge volumes. So there, it has a lot to do. Maybe if it breaks above, then obviously next target is 600. But if like for consolidation like this, after the breakout, if it is a bullish breakout, then I will not be surprised even if it reaches to this all-time high or the day it was launched, maybe. Okay, IPO price 750, around 750, 760. So just keep eye on this. If it breaks above this, then we can add more quantity also. Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Trident.
Trident.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on. See, Trident was forming. Can you see a pattern in a triangular shape here? So it was forming lower lows. Okay, so it is almost at a trending resistance now. Okay. If it breaks above this trending resistance, this is what we call a falling wedge. Okay. So price is forming lower highs and lower lows also, but it is consolidating. Okay. Similarly, see, if it starts falling from here, we can expect it to go down further. But if it breaks above this resistance, again we can see a sharp up move in Trident. Okay. So your target, if bullish breakout happens, your first target becomes this, second target becomes this, third target becomes this, and if it continues moving, then it will just keep on moving. Just like it is right now, it is trading at a very crucial level because it is very close to its trending resistance, and the volumes are also increasing. If you can see, I assume this will break out. This time it will break above the resistance is what I think. Okay, because if you can see, the price has moved up with rising volumes. Okay, so this pressure might help it to break above this resistance. Okay, so it is at a very crucial stage now. Yeah, next.
Syncom formulations.
What is the spelling?
SYNCOW.
Okay, I got it. So it is a newborn baby. So you applied for IPO or what?
No, sir. I think I just like that.
Wait, like you bought it recently?
No, it's been 1 year, I guess.
1 year?
No, not 1 year, almost like March I got it.
But it is showing that first candle is on 4th of November, 18th of November only. What is your buying price?
13 rupees. 13.
Okay. So it is in consolidation and it will stay in this range, I guess, for some time.
Why is it not showing? Is there a different?
So maybe the script, I'm checking a wrong script. Is the spelling right?
Yes, sir. Syncom. I think the below one.
Wait a second. On NSE, it got listed now, but in BSE, it has been trading. So you might have bought it in BSE.
BSE. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So it is in consolidation and getting listed on NSE, we can consider it as a good sign. And again, what we can see here is a descending triangle. So wait for the bullish breakout to happen, which might happen. See the price forming lower highs and taking support at the same level. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a descending triangle, and because it is now listed in NSE, we can consider it as a good sign. So if it breaks above, then give me a call. I will also buy some. Okay. And as I said, see, now it has also reached in its last 20%, right? So anytime the breakout can happen. Okay, anytime this breakout can happen next week itself. Okay. Next.
That's it, sir.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what, like stop loss and all. I don't know how to apply in the.
Which broker you have your account with?
This only Grow. So
Grow, na? So you can search on YouTube. They must be having some videos. To go through that videos how to place stoppers, GTT and GTC order, because you have invested in delivery based, na? So you'll have to create GTT, GTC only.
Okay.
So that orders remains in the system for approximately 1 year.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So even if you are away from the market, you are participating in any tournament or anywhere you are like traveling, and if the market falls, your positions will be closed. Okay. So it helps us that way. Chalo. So all the best. I hope this analysis helps for you and the other viewers also, because I'll be posting it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Then I'll like to keep such sessions again and again, mostly on Sundays. Chalo.